So could you tell me about your position?
Yeah, I'm Chief Executive of Notch Communications.
Okay, and what is Notch?
It's a brand marketing company for the life science industry. So we have two clients here, AMRI and Codexis.
Okay, and is this your first year at the show?
No, I've been coming many, many years.
Okay, what do you think of it this year?
It's quite a large show. As everyone appears to be here, which is good, and there's a networking event, you can't beat it.
Oh, right. Were you able to attend the showcases yesterday?
Absolutely, yeah.
What'd you think?
I enjoyed both the exhibitor ones and the technology ones. Everyone seems to have learned over the years just to keep it tight, and so I must have attended about 12, and none of them were boring, and that was really good.
That's a plus.
And very informative.
Good. And will you be attending next year?
Absolutely. Miami Beach? You've got
Yes.
to be joking. Yeah, of course.
Were you able to attend any of the sessions or symposia this afternoon?
I'm going to panel discussion tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, so none today.
No, I've been sorting clients out today.
Okay, and what kind of meetings have you set up?
I'm here really to A, look after clients, and B, network for new business.
Okay.
So the events like last night, the Dixie event was ideal, and the one tomorrow night will be great too.
Perfect. And are you visiting any specific exhibitors? I think you said
AMRI. Just down the hall here, and Codexis have come in late, but they've got a small booth here too.
Okay. And anyone new on the list?
Yes, but I can't talk about that.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
That's
really
a great
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Glenn, could you tell me a little bit about the show, what you think of it this year?
Actually, personally, I think the show is smaller than I remember it being in the last few years. And there's probably still people who are attending the seminars, so they're not out here yet, but it looks a little slow to me. So it'll be interesting to see what happens this afternoon.
Will you be attending any of those seminars?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Did you attend the showcases yesterday?
No.
Okay. Were you able to attend that reception last night?
No, I didn't.
Okay. And are you attending any of the other events surrounding Informex?
No, we're going from here to see some of our potential customers in the surrounding area. So one of the reasons to come out was to incorporate the show as well as go into other customers, potential customers, to see where their projects stand.
Could you tell us a little bit about what you do in your company?
Our company, Little for Day, manufactures industrial mixers, reactors, and dryers for the solids processing industry. So any product that comes out of any kind of market that is a solid and needs to be dried or blended or added liquid to, we provide a mixing solution for that. So that's why we have a lot of our customers. Some of the people here that are exhibiting have our equipment in their factories, and they're using them for manufacturing products for their customers, both as toll and final end product usage.
Okay. And have you set up any meetings with your clients?
We haven't here, since we're not exhibiting, we're walking the show, so we don't have anything formally set up, but we do go around and try to see the people who we have customers before. There is a customer here that we actually got an order from about 3 weeks ago, so we stopped by to talk to them about that and thank them for the order and see where that was going. So.
Sure. So is this your first year, or?
No, I was trying to remember. I think I've been coming both as an exhibitor and to attend the show for about 10 years now, something like that.
So you're definitely attending next year?
Most likely, yes. I don't know where it is exactly, but yes, I would assume that I would.
Okay, and what do you like about the show?
One of the big draws here is that there are a lot of our end users here. It's kind of a little thing, but I do like this show because they do provide meal, so you don't have to go outside and go or to a crowded area, so that makes it good. I think the show is also good because it does move around the country, so it makes it more of a regional show, so you have more people who attend. I think that keeps the attendance up, that people, maybe they don't go every year, but every few years, because it's in their area, they come back. So I think that's a good thing for shows.
Well, I really appreciate your input. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you.
John, could you tell me what you think of the show this year?
Well, this is the first time I've ever attended, so it's been really good so far for me. I've gone to a couple of the information sessions and gotten information on equipment and some contacts and meetings with other people, so it's been really good.
Great. So what kind of meetings have you set up?
Meetings to look at different types of collaboration potential with
Okay.
other companies.
What do you do? What's your role in your company?
I'm the manufacturing facilities manager for the company I work for.
Okay, and what does your company do?
Our parent company is a life science research company, but the company that I work for that they own is a small molecule organic chemistry company.
Okay, and are you the only one here from
Yeah,
the
I am.
organization? Okay.
Yeah.
And do you think you'll be attending next year?
I don't know if I can,
Okay.
depending on where it is. And, yeah.
Which seminars are you attending this afternoon?
I'm going to one of the green chemistry seminars.
Okay.
Yeah.
And were you able to attend the showcases yesterday?
No, I didn't get here in time for that. Yeah.
Or the reception, maybe?
No, I got here late yesterday.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So what about, are you going to be going to anything tomorrow? Do you have anything scheduled with exhibitors?
I'm just going to finish up looking through all the exhibits tomorrow, pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then will you be leaving on?
I'll be leaving tomorrow afternoon.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Well, what are the highlights of the show so far?
So far, it's been just meeting various people in the same industry has been great. And then I've gotten lots of good information about equipment that we might need. And so that's been probably the main focus for me, is equipment to scale up and go into different types of chemistries.
Great. Well, thank you so much. We
Sure.
appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Could you tell me a little bit about your company and what you do?
We design and manufacture process equipment. We cater to the chemical, the food, pharmaceutical industry, and the nuclear industry, and the petrochemical industry.
Okay, and what's your role?
I'm a senior vice president and chief technology officer.
Okay. And how many years have you been coming to Informex?
Probably 8 years, I would say, maybe 10.
Okay. And are you excited for Miami next year?
Miami, because it's in Miami, yes. I'm going to go to South Beach. Yeah.
Great.
I don't know what it's going to be like there. You know, I mean, New Orleans is always good. Yeah, looking forward to it, for sure.
Great. Are you attending any of the sessions or seminars while
I
you're
have
here?
given talks before,
Okay.
but the rest of the chemistry goes over my head.
Okay. So what were you presenting on?
The processing technologies, teaching the chemists how to use continuous processing.
Okay. What do you like about the show?
Our customers are here.
Uh-huh. Have you set up quite a few meetings with your customers?
We usually don't. They find us.
They do? Okay.
Yeah.
So how many people?
They know I'm here.
How do you draw them to the booth?
We really don't. Sometimes we do marketing. Sometimes we don't.
Okay.
You know, it depends. It varies. We sort of we're too busy right now, and we just think we're special, so people just come to us.
Okay.
We've been around 76 years, so the company's well known.
Great. And were you able to attend any of the showcases yesterday?
No, I just actually arrived today.
Okay. Will you be attending any of the reception events?
Think about it.
Okay.
Do
And
you think it's worthwhile?
I think so. I enjoyed it last
Really?
night, so yes.
Yeah. Do they have one every night?
I think there's one tomorrow as well.
Okay.
So-
I might go.
Okay, great. Well, what are you looking forward to for next year's event? What are you hoping to accomplish?
It all depends. I actually told them that they should make some concessions and give me a 10 by 20 booth for putting me here,
Okay.
and actually bring one of our prototypes to the show. It's tough to do on a 10 by 10 booth.
Okay.
Maybe do some pre-marketing. That's about it.
Okay.
It's a great show. I mean, all of our customers are here, and this show gets sort of the cream of the crop of our customers. You know, the CTOs, people that are in charge of technology. So it's a great show for us, even though it's expensive.
Okay, great. So, what kind of meetings do you set up with your customers here? Are you able to sit down and talk with them? Or are they usually just stopping
sometimes
by?
we do. No, I mean, there are times we do a pre-show meeting.
Okay.
If there's a specific application, but we've just had 3 or 4 customers that showed up. The companies we've done business with before, they've got new applications they don't have a solution to. We're a solutions company, so when the chemists come up with a process and they need to get rid of all of the undesirables, and these are difficult separations. That's what we specialize in. So we're kind of unique, and they always find us.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
All right, well, I appreciate your time. Thanks
My
for
pleasure.
stopping by. Could you tell me a little bit about what you do and what your company provides to customers?
Okay, so I'm with Albemarle Corporation, and my name is John Parks. I'm R&D Director for our Fine Chemicals Division. Albemarle does lots and lots of things, but we do a lot of custom manufacturing for pharma industry, electronics, ag industry, lots of industries.
Okay, and is this your first year at the show?
No, maybe 10 years, yeah.
And will you be coming back next year?
Probably.
Okay. And what are your goals when you come to this kind of an event?
Yeah, we're here looking for business. We bring our salespeople. We have 60 or 70 meetings set up before we get here, and then we're also looking to see if we can get some walk-up customers with some interest in products.
Okay. And what kind of meetings do you set up? Are they what do you discuss in those meetings? What are
Products that are ongoing with customers that we have, or sometimes the customers will bring to the meeting some new products for us to look at, projects.
And what do you like about this event?
Just a concentrated event where you can get a lot of meetings done, a lot of talks done in one place.
Okay. And what's your customer demographic?
We're all over the map. We do pharma, ag, electronics, larger industrial scale products.
Okay.
So mostly U.S.
Okay. And what do you think? How do you think the show does of bringing all those customers together for you?
I think it's pretty good because if you can get to a place where you can in 3 days schedule 60 meetings with customers, that's pretty good because that's the only place I know where you can concentrate that many meetings in one spot.
Right. Have you set up any meetings in those meeting rooms?
No.
Okay. Will you be attending any of the seminars or sessions this afternoon?
No, we're pretty busy with our own meetings.
Okay, sure. And what about the showcases? Were you able to attend those yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. What'd you think of those?
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
They're good.
Okay. And I guess my last question is, have you attended the reception? Did you attend the reception last night?
Didn't do that last night.
Okay. Will you be attending? I think there's another one tomorrow.
We'll probably swing through that one tomorrow.
Okay. Do you feel like that's a good networking opportunity
It
as
is,
well?
for those that are good at networking.
All right. Well, thank you so much for
Sure.
your time. So if you could just tell me a little bit about your position and what your company does.
I'm Robert Leeuwendaal. I work with Haig Barrett, which is a management consulting firm that helps clients in the specialty chemicals and pharma industry with project management and strategy formulation and implementation.
Okay. And have you been able to attend any of the seminars since you've been here?
This is my 7th Informex, I think, this year. I missed a couple of years. This year I've got a bit more time to actually attend the seminars, which I hadn't before. I just attended the seminar on API outsourcing and collaboration through different CROs. The panel that was put together was outstanding and gave very good new insight in how different CROs, small and big, are evolving to work in better ways with each other and improve the level of their collaboration. I found it very impressive and very up to date.
Great. And what do you like best about coming to Informex?
I think Informex is, as part for me, because of in the US, the premier event where we meet clients, potential clients, get updates on the industry and hear what people think about how their industry is evolving and what the practical issues are they are encountering, both from a technical as well as from organizational point of view.
Will you be attending next year's event?
We have a lot of clients that put demands on us, but yes, if I can make time for it, I will certainly do so.
Okay. About how many meetings would you say you've set up this year?
Meetings as in
Meetings
before
with your
going.
clients?
We've set up a fair amount of, I would say about 6 or 7.
Okay. And have they been so far successful?
Yeah, all our meetings here with people are successful.
Okay, great. Well, we really appreciate your time. Thanks
Okay,
for stopping
thank
by.
you.
So, John, can you tell me about your position and a little bit about what your company does?
Well, I work for Connect Chemical. I'm the sales manager for North America. Our company is international. It's based in Germany, but we own 5 chemical plants in China and looking for customers in North America.
Okay. So what do you like about coming to an event like Informex?
Well, it gives you exposure to a lot of potential prospects quickly. There's obviously a lot of different companies represented here, so.
Sure. Have you been able to set up quite a bit of meetings?
Yeah, we have one meeting going on right now at our booth.
Really?
That's why I'm wandering.
Will you be attending any of the presentations or seminars?
Probably will not. I'm primarily here to meet potential new customers.
Were you able to check out the showcases yesterday?
No, I can't say I know what you're talking about.
Okay. What about the reception? Were you able to attend the reception last night?
Well, the fellows I'm with are from Germany, and they got in late last night, so we had to spend time fixing our booth up, and we didn't have a chance to go to the reception.
Okay. How many of you from your company have been able to?
There's just 3 of us are here.
3 of you, okay.
It's a small booth.
Will you be attending next year?
That'll be up to them. It's in Miami, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm from Chicago. I love to go to Miami in the winter. It'd be great.
Perfect. Okay, first could you tell me a little bit about your position and what your company does?
Well, my name is Steve Nelson. I'm General Manager of Louisiana Chemical Equipment Company. We're based in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and our storage yard's over in LaPorte, Texas. We're dealers of chemical processing equipment, and we've been attending the show for about 20 years now, and it's one of the best trade shows we do every year. This is really where all of our customers are in one group, and it's really just a great tool, a giant sales call for us. So yeah, we enjoy the show. It's
Have you been able to set up quite a bit of meetings with your clients?
Well, basically, we just work the booth, and people come by, and we have the same customer base at the show, and they stop by and see us, tell us what they're interested in, and everything. So we don't really do the formal meeting schedule like some of the tollers and that sort of thing, but just work in the booth. But it's worked out well.
Did you attend last night's reception?
Did not attend the reception last night.
Okay, and will you be attending next year's show as well?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite part about coming to Informex? I'm sorry.
I think it's just the that all the customers are here, and like I said, it's having this amount of customers all in one place is very beneficial for us.
Okay.
Because our customers are all over the country, all over the world, and it's to have this concentration of customers in one place is a very good opportunity for us.
Sure. Will yourself or any of your colleagues be attending the sessions or seminars going on over the week?
Yeah, we'll probably attend a couple of them. I'm not sure which ones yet, but I'm sure we will.
Okay. Which ones would be of interest to you?
Actually, I haven't looked at the schedule yet, to be honest with you.
Great. No, that's okay. That's pretty much all we need, so thank you so much for your time. So could you tell me a little bit about your position and what your company does?
Right. I'm the CEO and President of Excellience, and Excellience does formulation development and clinical trial manufacturing. This last year we added clinical supplies to our suite of services and added another facility to that. We serve the U.S. and the European pharmaceutical companies since 1997.
Okay, and what are your goals at Informex this year?
I think it's really to reconnect with old friends and meet new acquaintances. We've got a sales group through the United States, and having it here in California allows me to connect very efficiently with all the people, all of our clients here in California.
Okay, and is this your first year at the show?
No, it's not. I think this is probably my fourth or fifth year that I've been coming.
Okay, and will you come back next year?
Oh, definitely. I think next year it's closer to us in Miami, if I'm not mistaken. Good.
Yes, you're correct.
We're in Tampa, Florida,
okay,
so it's going to be a much easier trip.
Perfect. So have you set up a lot of meetings for the show this year?
We've been really productive. Unfortunately, I can only be here for 2 days, but back-to-back meetings every half an hour throughout the location. And it's really good here this year because we're the way in Anaheim, the convention center, close to the Hilton and the Marriott.
Yes.
It's better than other cities where they can be quite far apart.
Perfect. And are you attending any of the seminars or sessions this afternoon or tomorrow?
Yes, we did a panel this morning with a couple of our colleagues, on regional versus global load sourcing. So we were on the panel from 11 to 12, and I think tomorrow I'm going to join one on investment banking at 11 o'clock.
Okay,
So,
great.
yeah.
Well, I think that's all the questions that we
Great.
have. So
Okay,
thank you
that's
so much
easy.
for your time. So could you just tell me a little bit about your position and what your company does and what you're doing here at the show this year?
My name is Carrie Jiang, and I'm from Jupiter Sciences. Our company is located in Jupiter, Florida. We are a research chemical supplier. We provide building blocks, screening compounds, and heterocyclic intermediates to academia and R&D.
So what are your goals this year at Interfex?
Come to visit some old friends, like customers, and build up new relationship with customers.
Great.
And yeah.
Have you been able to schedule a lot of meetings with your customers?
Yes, I do. Yeah. I send them email before I come here, so I schedule an appointment with them, and then I have met like 25 customers.
Okay.
So yeah.
And is this your first year at the show?
Yes.
It
yes.
is. What do you like about it so far?
I like it very much.
Do you?
Because I have been to CPHI China in Shanghai last year. Compared to CPHI, I think Informex is like more professional, and I got a lot of chance to talk to my suppliers and our customers and build up relationships. So it's a very nice business environment. Yeah.
Have you been able to attend any of the sessions or seminars this afternoon, or?
I have been to. Yesterday, I went to some sections. Listened to some presentations from the exhibitors.
What do you think about the quality of those presentations?
Pretty good. They provide some like update information of their company, and it's better for us to know them better and their new products and their recent activities. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time.